Welcome students. So, in our previous classes, I have told you about the notes or the surs in music. That there are 7 natural notes: A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So, today we are going to learn about chords, okay? And to be specific, we are going to learn about major chords, because chords are mainly of 2 types, major and minor. So today we will talk about major chords. So these major chords that I am going to tell you will only deal with the 7 natural notes, that is A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay, so I'll tell you the notes that comprise in a major chord, in each and every note, and that how you can play it in your keyboard or in your guitar. Okay, so let's begin. So students, first let's see that this note here is the standard C. So let's begin with the C note itself. Okay, so the C major chord has 3 notes, that is C, E and G. Okay, but played together, so it sounds like this. Now moving on to next key, that is D. It has 3 notes, that is D, F sharp and A, played together. Now E. E has E, G sharp and B. Okay, now F major has F, A and C, played together. Now G major has G, B and D, played together. Now A major has A, C sharp and E, A major. And the last but not the least is B major, which is B, D sharp and F sharp, played together. Okay, so once again, this is C, D, E, F, G, A and B. Now let's do it with the guitar. Okay, so as we all know, there are 6 strings and the numbering starts from the below. So this is first string, second string, third string, fourth string, fifth and sixth. Okay, so I will be telling you the string number and the fret number. So first let's start with the C major chord. So the first note will be played in the second string and the first fret, that is C. Now the fourth string in the second fret and the fifth string in the third fret. So these 3 notes, okay? So this is C major chord. Now next is D. So D will play first string in the second fret, second string in the third fret and third string in the second fret itself. Okay? So together this is D major chord. Now E major chord will be fifth string in the second fret, fourth string also in the second fret and third string in the first fret. Okay, played together, this is E major chord. Now if we shift this same position of the fingers to one fret towards right, that is, and if you place this forefinger in the first fret, covering the whole strings, all the 6 strings, and if you play now, this will be F major. Okay, and now same position, if we shift rightwards 2 frets, that is this will be G major. Okay, and if the same thing, if we shift again 2 frets, then this will be A major, and again 2 frets towards right, this will be B major. Okay, so we covered C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Okay, these are the standard way of holding or picking the chords. Okay, although there are many other ways, like A major can be held as this, B major can be done as this, G major can be done as this. Okay, there are many other ways. So what I taught you is the standard way. Okay, thank you for watching, students, and next lesson we'll do in the next video. Okay, and keep practicing. Stay safe, stay home.